क्या हुआ हमने सभी ने देखा। बिना चर्चा के और बीएसी में, बीएसी यानी बिजनेस एक्चुअली एक एडवाइजरी कमेटी में जो डिस्कशन होता है तो उसी बिजनेस एक्चुअली उनको लेना है। तो एक्चुअली सीनियर्स ने पूछा कि अगर आप कुछ नया कानून लेकर आ रहे हो क्या, तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं। तो कल अचानक एनिमल हस्बेंड्री मिनिस्टर ने ये काउ स्लॉटर का बिल इंट्रोड्यूस करके और हमें ऐसे दिया और अचानक, और हमने सब ने एक्चुअली प्रोटेस्ट किया क्योंकि हमको देखना है, पढ़ना है और चर्चा करनी है। भाई ये क्या, ये लोकतंत्र है, ये डेमोक्रेसी है।
बीजेपी के पास इतनी मेजॉरिटी है कि पास करेगा।
ये देखिए, ये बीजेपी के पास एक्चुअली मेजॉरिटी है
बीजेपी की मेजॉरिटी इलेक्टेड है
और डिस्कशन। सी वट एवर इज देयर, यू हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस एंड द प्रोसीजर दैट itself was not followed. And what is so shocking is that BJP is literally behaving like this is dictatorship. No matter what they want to do in our country, you can, especially in our Karnataka, it's always been peaceful. And intentionally they want to do this. You saw what they were wearing, you saw how they introduced the bill, you saw the way they were screaming. It's just a 10-minute clip, please have a look. And the way which they actually brought this, without even letting us discuss, without even letting us actually having the impact, not just on certain communities but also on farmers and on the fines. And there are so many repercussions. In fact, other meats also, the price is going to increase. And also, once the cows are old, are they going to give them money to actually raise the animals? This is basically a law to criminalize some people, to target some people. We saw in other parts of the country what they did in the name of beef ban, in the name of cow slaughter. We have seen what BJP has done in other states, and this is exactly what BJP is trying to do in Karnataka as well. By saffronization, by using this, there are so many issues in our state right now. We've had massive floods. People haven't been given flood relief, not just last year, even this year. COVID, a lot of people are suffering. There is massive unemployment. And not just that, there are so many issues right now. And in fact, you can ask our ASHA workers. The COVID doctors are not paid salaries. But in spite of that, they want to bring in such kind of laws, which is completely not just unnecessary, but it's also undemocratic, the entire process. So it's very clear, that it's my way or the highway, and this is literally fascism. And we are going to go and protest, and that's exactly what our leader Siddaramaiah sir and DK sir also said. And we are not going to keep quiet any kind of injustice towards people. Any bill, if it has to be passed as a law, it has to be brought in the BEC, and then it has to be introduced in the assembly, and then there has to be discussion whether it has to be passed or not. So if you just kind of bulldoze this bill, you saw the way they were behaving yesterday. And so we boycotted this session yesterday and today as well. We said that if you're not going to respect the opposition, we are also elected people of Karnataka, of various constituencies, and we are representing, the voices and problems of various people. And a true democracy should actually listen to all opinions and voices across the state. And if BJP is not interested in doing that, and so we are going to come out, and we are out in the people's court right now. And we are not going to let any injustice be done in the name of such kind of laws to our people. Thank you.